Hello everyone, welcome to the session on geniuschalk. Today I am going to discuss HCF and LCM third part. So let's start the session. First question says the greatest number that will divide 3026 and 5053, leaving remainders 11 and 13 respectively. Now in this type of questions, what we need to do is the number which will divide 3026, that must be a factor of this, or we can say a divisor of this, right? And the remainder is 11. And if the same number is dividing 5053, leaving the remainder 13, that means the same number must be the divisor and it must leave remainder 13. That means divisor. From divisor, we know that it's a factor and it is saying the greatest number that will divide. That means what we need to do is we have to find the HCF in this case, and HCF should be found after subtracting the denominator, subtracting the remainder from the given dividend. Why I'm doing it? Because this number will only cancel this given dividend only and only if this remainder is subtracted from it, right? So my answer will be 3026 minus 11 comma 5053 minus 13. This is my answer. So because if you want this number to be completely divisible by the factor, this should not leave any remainder. So this is my concept. So I have to subtract the remainder in both cases. So in this type of question, just find the HCF after subtraction. So what is left? This is 5, this is 1, 5. 5053 minus 13 is 5040. So now I need to find the HCF of this. Now if you check, does this number cancel by 60? 65s are 300, but 15 does not cancel. This option is cancelled. Does this number cancel by 40? 40, it should be divisible. If it is 40, then I can say it should be divisible by 4 as well as 10, whereas it is not divisible by 4 because the last two digits are not divisible. So this is also cancelled. Are these numbers cancelled by 30? Again the same problem, because 30 means 3 into 10. So this number must divide by 10. Here it is, last digit is 15, and for a number to be divisible by 10, the last number should be 0. So this is also cancelled. So what is left? 15, and this should be my answer. Now let's confirm this, how it can become our answer. So for that, we can check that 3015 divisible by 15. For 15, it must be divided by 3 and 5. So let's check whether this is divisible by 3. 3015. For 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. That means 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5, 6. Everything is cancelled. Yes, this is cancelled by 3. And the next is 5040. 5 plus 4, 9. It is also cancelled by 3. That means this both numbers are divisible by 3. And the next point, they must be divisible by 5. For 5, we know the rule. The last digit should be 5 or 0. In one case, we are getting 5. In another case, we are getting 0. That means we can definitely conclude that this option has to be our answer. So for this type of question, just remember the way. Find the HCF after subtracting the respective remainders from the given dividends. Right? I hope it is clear. Next question. It says the LCM of two numbers is 45 times their HCF. If one of the number is 125 and the sum of HCF and LCM is this, then the other number is what? Okay. So what is given? The sum of HCF and LCM is given as 1150. Right. Now, LCM of two numbers is 45 times their HCF. So it is given that LCM of two numbers is 45 times their HCF. We will use this condition. So HCF LCM is 45 times the HCF. So can I say this is 1150? Yes, I can. And one of the number is given, fine, and the other number we have to find. So Now it is 46H. 46H is equal to 1150. 23 twos are 23 fives are 115. So 2 25s are 50. That means HCF in this case is coming out to be 25. The first thing I have got is HCF is 25. If I have got HCF, I already know that this is already given that LCM has to be 45 times the HCF. So I can use it now. 45 into 25, that has to be my LCM, right? Now we know the rule since the last class we have studied that product of two numbers is always equal to the respective HCF and LCM product. So what is LCM? 45 into 25. And what is HCF? 25. The product of numbers. Now from them, one of the number is already given, that is 125. Can we find the other number? Yes, let's try. 45 25 5s are 125, 5 5s are 25. So B is equal to 45 into 5, and that is 40 into 5 200 plus 5 into 5 25. So the answer of this question has to be how much? It has to be 225, which is option C, right? So this is my right answer for this. I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Next question says the smallest number of four digits, which on divisible by all these leaves the remainder 2 in this case. So for this type of question, we have already done the trick that the smallest number which on division by, that means this time there is a number, it is divisible by 4, leaves a remainder 2. The same number divisible by 6 leaves a remainder 2. The same number divisible by 10 leaves a remainder 2. And the same number divisible by 15 and also leaves a remainder 2. That means now we are looking for a multiple. See, I have discussed this in the last class as well. When you have to find the multiple, like this number, the dividend, then it is always the LCM. When you have to find this divisor, then you have to always find the HCF. Please remember, whenever we are dividing, if we need the divisor, then find HCF. If we need the multiple or the dividend, then always find LCM. So in this case, you can clearly see that we need this n, and this n must be a multiple of this 10 6 4, right? And it should leave the remainder 2 as well, right? So what is the answer of this question? How we calculate? We'll just find the LCM of all of these, and afterwards we'll add the remainder 2. It's a single remainder, so let's find the LCM first. It is 2 square, it is 2 into 3, it is 2 into 5, it is 3 into 5. So what it is? Highest should be 60. You can read the table of 15. 15 ones are 15. 4 does not cancel. 15 to the 30. 4 does not cancel 30. Rest can cancel. 15 4s are 60. Everyone will cancel. So here it will be 1 5. So 12 into 5 is 60. So 60 is the LCM, right? Now if 60 is the LCM, I can write one number n here, one number 60 here. And now I am looking for the question. I have to have remainder 2. Right? I have to have remainder 2. So what is the least number? A number must be of the form. You know the definition of number. What is that? Definition of number is, it should be in this form, that number is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 60 multiple plus 2. 60 multiple plus 2. Now, which value you will put? Yeah, there is one condition we have missed here. See, it is 4 digits. The number must be of 4 digits. Okay. So because it's already mentioned the number of digits, the least number is 62, of course. But it is saying in terms of 4-digit numbers. So let's try. What is a 4-digit number? Smallest number of 4-digit number. You know that is 1000. So divide, because it's mentioned here, else we could have put the value of this, but because it's 4-digit is mentioned, so we'll have to check like that. So it becomes 60. The least number of 4 digits is 1000. So 60 ones are 60. It becomes 400. and 66 the 360. What is my remainder? It is 40. And to get this least number, if I subtract this 40, I will get 960. So 960 is a 3-digit number. I need to have 4-digit. So what I will be doing is I will be putting this suppose I have subtracted, after that I have to take the next multiple of 60. So that has to be 1020, right? So up to here you are thinking that this is the answer. You are thinking that this is the answer, or I have told you the faster way, that's just add the difference of divisor and remainder, that is 20 here. So 1000 plus 20 is 1020. But the important thing is we have to have this remainder 2 also in the picture. So what is the right answer? I have to have remainder 2 also in each case. That's why I will go with option B. Option B is my right answer. I hope the way is clear. Yeah. Next. Now, what is the least number of square tiles required to pave the floor of a room this much long and this much broad? Okay, let's understand this question first. Question says that there is a floor, yeah, and I have to fill this floor with tiles, like say one tile, like this another tile. It must be square tile, so my measurement may not be correct, but you can understand the concept. So it is saying that, like, to fill this room, how many tiles I can make, like this. Yeah, like this. So like this I have to fill this room with tiles, and it should be square tile. So okay, like this. So these are all square tiles. So now the length is given, it's a floor, right? Floor of a room, its length is given 15 meter, breadth is given 17 centimeter, and uh, least number squared. So this is the length. Okay, this is complete length, so correct it. So let's correct it. It is 15 meter, 17 centimeter. Next is 9 meter, 2 centimeter. Now I need to convert it. So let's say 1 meter has 1500. 1 meter has 100 meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Sorry. So 15 meter will be having 1500 centimeter, and next is 17. So what is the total? 1517. Yes. And here 9 meter means 900 centimeter plus 2, so 902. That means the least, if I have to have, now focus on the words, huh? If I have to have the least number of tiles here, the least number of tiles, that means their size, this the size of this one tile should be maximum, isn't it? The size of each tile should be maximum, then only I can have the least number of tiles. Suppose the size is big, this one, so I will be having less number of tiles, right? So that means what we have to do in this question, we have to find the HCF of this. Okay, so let's find. So we have got this. So we have 1517 and 902. We know what is the best way to solve this. That is division method, because afterwards it will be a difference, then we have to check it by the difference. So that may take some time. So let's solve using this one. So it is 902 ones are 902, and it becomes 516. 615 is the remainder. Yeah. Now I'm just checking it. Least number of square tiles. Okay. So afterwards, this becomes a divisor. It should be 615 only. 12 minus 5, 7. 10, 12 minus 5, 7. Then here it will be like 85, 85, and 202 है ना? So it should be like 12 minus 5 7. You can do like this also, and 9 minus 1 8, then 8 minus 6 2 287. So this becomes 615. Now check 287 28. If I solve with 3 it will not. So 287 double, how much this is? 16 and 1 17, 574. So 1 4, yes, 41. Now 287 will be here. So 41 sevens are, you can see 7 ones are 7. That means this is giving us remainder 0. So please remember the rule. Whenever we have this, the last divisor, because HCF is a factor, the last divisor which will completely divide the number, that is called highest common factor. So I can say that the size of each square tile, it must be 41. And now it comes to number of tiles. So 41 is the size of one. So what is the other side? It is also 41. So can you find the area? Because now I have to find area of one tile, area of one largest tile है ना? So this is 41 into 41. And what is the area of the room? What is the area of the room? That is 1517 into 902, right? Now if there are like, this is the room, like you can see here, this is the room. In this you have to apply this bricks or these tiles like this. They are all square tiles. Okay, so suppose I know the size of one tile. Now if I, this is the overall area of the room. If I divide, number of tiles will be equal to area of the total room, like this total area, how much is the area, and divided by, I divide by the area of one tile. That if I multiply with number of tiles, then I will get number of tiles. So basically just divide it. This is the only point. So what is area of the room? That is 1517, that is into 902, and 41 into 41, just cancel it. Now if HCF is the factor, so it must cancel both of them. 41 twos are, 82, and 82, you are left with 82, so it's 22 times. 41 should be going with 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. No, 1517, let's cancel it by 41. 41 not fours are threes are 3 ones are 3 3 fours are 12. So this is 283. Now 3 comes when? 283, it's already 22, right? So 41 1517, yes. So 41 threes are, if you say 41 fours are, it is 164, it is more. So 41 threes are 123, 428, yes, 283. Now next is 4 sevens are 28. Sorry, it's not 283, it's 287. So although we have just cancelled it, so it's 37. 4 sevens are 28 and 1 seven are 7. So 287, that means this is 37. So can you multiply 37 into 22? That is our answer. So 37 into 22, 7 twos are 14. Answer should, last digits must be 4. So my correct answer is option D. Option D. So this is a very important question. What we have done, we have just found the HCF first. What is HCF? It is the size of the maximum tile, right? Afterwards, we have to find the number of tiles. So number of tiles into size of one tile, it must be the area of the room. So if I want to find number of tiles, divide by the number of divided by the area of one tile. And like if I have area of room divided by the number of tiles, I'll be having sorry, if I have area of the room divided by area of one tile, I'll be having the number of tiles. So this is my answer, right? Next, three numbers which are co-prime to each other are such that the product of the first two Let's take three number. First is A into B, and the last two, that means B into C, that must be 391. Okay. Now, what is AB? Can you factorize it? Yes, it cancel by 17. So 17 sevens. This could be our two numbers. And this is a factor of what? 17. Yes. 17 into 17 to the 34. 17 3 is 51. So these are the factors. What is the sum of the three numbers? Now you can clearly see that if you know this much factors, then it's very easy. One of the number is 17, one of the number is 7, and other number is 23. And it is saying what is the sum of all? So 17 plus 7 plus 23. So this becomes 30 plus 17, that becomes 47. 47 is the answer of this question, right? Next is ABC start at the same time in the same direction. Now it's a circle, it's a circular stadium. So let's make it. It's a circular stadium, and there are three persons. They are starting from here, A, B, and C, right? Now A completes the round in some time, and that is 252. B complete the same, and it is in 308, and C complete the same, right? At what time? They all started at the same time. At what time will they again meet? At the starting point. So for starting point, they will only meet when I will take the multiple, common multiple of all of them, right? So let's say, just for understanding, you can say that suppose 2, 4, and 6. Suppose the first person, they all three started from here, and the first person can finish this circling. This is A. It can finish this circle in 2 minutes. So he will cover this in 2 minutes. Then he will come to the same point in 4 minutes. Then he will come to the same point in 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and so on. Right now, if a person B can suppose complete in this circular round in 4 minutes, that means first he will cover this in 4 minutes. Then the next 4 minute he will come back after again 4 minutes. So after 8 seconds from the initial, then 12 second, then 16 second, 20 second, and so on. Similarly, the person who is at 6, so he will cover like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So he will cover like this. That means, that means what is the number where all are connecting? You can see that 12 is the number first time they are meeting. That means everyone will meet here after 12 minutes. After 12 minutes. So they will be here again. So this is what is the common multiple, and it's the least common because after 12 they will meet at 24. After 24, see 24 here also it will come in multiples of 2. After that they will meet at 36, but we have to look for the first time they will come at the starting point. That's why, and this is the least multiple, and that's why in this type of questions we always find the LCM, right? So let's find the LCM in this case. 252, just break it. 21 into 21 ones are 21, 21 2. So this becomes 3 into 7, 21, and 3 into 4. That means I can say that 3 square into 2 square, yeah, into 7. Now come to the next. What is next? 308. Which number you are seeing it to be cancelled? 11. So 11, 11 to the 28, 11 8 88. So 11 into, this becomes 7 into 4, 4 becomes 2 square. Next is 198. It again cancels by 11 because 8 plus 1 9, 9 and minus 9 is 0. So it is 11 into 11 ones are 11, 18. This becomes 11 into 3, right, into 6. So 3 into 2. So this becomes 11 into 3 square into 2. Right. Now, what is a common point? Common point has to be found like this. This is what is the highest power of 2 available? We can see that it's 2 square only. So 2 square. What is the highest power of 3? This is 3 square. Highest power of 7. So this is 7 only. 7. Highest power of 11, it is 11 only. So just multiply. This is 4 into 9, 36 into 7 into 11. So this becomes how much? 6 7s are 42. 30 into 7, 210. 210 plus 52 is 252. So this becomes 252 into 11 and multiply by 11. We know the rule. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 2 7. So 2772 seconds. Right? This becomes 2772 seconds. If I divide it by 60, I will be having minutes. So let's see how much we'll get. So all this we have done, right? So I'm rubbing it. Okay. So this becomes 60. So 60, 2772. 6 4s are 6, 5s are 30, to 4s are 240, 7, 3, 2, 6, 6 are 36. It becomes 12. So 46 is there and 12 is left. So 46 minutes complete, 12 are left. 12 by 60, right? So 46 minutes and 12 by 60, it is 1 by 5 into 60. So this becomes 12 again. So 46 minute 12 second is my answer, right? Next, again the same type, least number divided by all of these. 8, 12, 20 and 30 leaves a remainder 4, divided by 21 leaves a remainder of 7. So first, again we will find the LCM. So 2 to the power 3, then 2 square into 3, this is 2 square into 5, and 3 into 2 into 5. So what is the answer? It is 2 cube. So 2 cube. Then 3 is there. Yes, 3 is there. Fine. And then 5 is there. Highest bar. So 8 3 are 24. Yes, yes, it's fine. It's 120. Fine, fine. Total of 120. Hmm? And 120k plus 4 is our number first. So if you take 120 into 2, suppose, so that becomes 240 plus 4, 248. If you divide 248 by 21, are you getting this remainder? Just check. No, I guess you are not. So again, 248 is not cancelled. You know, this is the number. 120 was the divisor. This quotient is k. Remainder was 4. So this number is not working. So I'm just multiplying it. If you put k equal to 3, guys, if you put k equal to 3, so 120 into 3 plus 4, how much? 364. This is the next number. So from here only I am making the equation. It is in the form of 120k plus 4. Like this was the divisor, this is quotient, this was remainder. So this number must be of this form. I'm just using that. Okay, we don't have to go in this directly. So just use this k value as 1 2 3. Now divide 364 as this is in the option as well. So probable answer, because can't be determined, cannot be the answer. So divide by 21, 21 ones are 21. This becomes 5, 154. Now how much is left? This is 154, 21 sevens are 147. So yes, 147. Here I have got remainder of 7. So this is my answer. So after you find the LCM from here to here, you have added the number. But because the 124 is not the answer, we have to pick the value of k, 1, 2, 3, and so on. After putting it 3, we have got our answer. Right? Okay. 6 will start ringing intervals at this. So we know that this is a repetition again in term. When we talk about bells, it's about repetition. So just find the LCM of all of them. 4, 8, 10. You can see 4, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20. Now read the table of the highest number. If something is a multiple, you can, sorry, something is a factor, you can cancel it out. 4 2s are 8, it's a factor. And 10 2s are 20, 10 is a factor of 20, we can cancel it. 8, 12, 15, 20, nothing is a factor of anything. So now pick up the highest number. 21s are 20, not all will cancel. 22s are 40, not cancel. 60, not cancel. So 120. After 60, just double it just to check, because after 80, again 12 will not, 15 will not. So 120 is the LCM. So after 120 seconds, these bells will be ringing together again, right? Now again, the concept via LCM, the same thing. The bell which ring just after every 4 seconds, it will ring like this: 4, 8, 12, 16. Second bell will ring like 8, because it keeps an interval of 8, so 8, 16, 24, 32. Then the third bell is after 10, so 10, 20, 30. I hope you're getting. So their simultaneous meeting would be at the LCM. Similarly, 15 will be 15, 30, 45, 60. They will meet like this. So their simultaneous meeting must be happening after their at their LCM. So at 120, everyone will be meeting. So they will ring together again. But the question is, how many times they will ring together in 60 minutes? So 120 seconds. 120 seconds is the time at which they will ring again. So how many times they will ring again in 1 hour? So 60 minutes. So how many seconds are there in 60 minutes? 60 into 60, that is 3600. So 3600 is the total number of seconds in 1 hour, and they, after every 120 second, they will ring again together. So how many times they will ring? Just divide it. So this becomes 30 times. But remember, the answer is not 30. Why? Because of this information. It is also given. They start ringing at the, they start ringing together. So they started also with together. That means this one line we also count. They started ringing together. Okay. And that's why the answer is 31 of this question, right? Okay, next one. The least number divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves a remainder 3. The same type, let's find the LCM. 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, this is 2 into 3. This is 2 cube. The highest power of 2 is 2 cube. Highest power of 3 is 3. Then 5 and 7 are co-primes. Just multiply. 8 3s are 24, 5s are 120, 7s are 840. Now the number is 840, but you can see options are big. That means the number has to be taken in this form: quotient and some remainder. What is the remainder? Common remainder is 3. So this number must be of the form like we did the last question: 840k plus 3. Right? Now putting k equal to 1 will not solve our purpose because 840, 843. If you put k equal to 1, it becomes 843. It is divisible by uh, is it divisible by 9? You can see 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3. No, it's not divisible. So put k equal to 2 now. Hopefully we'll get our answer because numbers are closer, seems to be closer. But there are bigger numbers also. So we need to check it properly. So k equal to 2, that becomes 1680 plus 3. So this becomes 1683. Is it divisible by 9? Just check. 8, 6, 14 plus 3, 17. Yes. The total sum is 18. So this is divisible by 9. That's why my answer is option B. Right? I hope the concept is clear. Next, the same type, three numbers co-prime to each other. Product of first two is given and the last two is given. We have to find the sum. So A into B is 551. Just find out by which number they can cancel. 13. 13 fours are 52. 3 1 they will not cancel. 17, 51, 4 1. No, they will not cancel. After that, 17, no. 13, no. What number they can cancel with? Like next is B, C, that is 1073. Right. Break it like 551. Does it cancel by 2? No. 3, no. 4, 5, no. 7, no. 8, 9, no. 11, no. 13, no. 15, 17, 4, 1, no. 19, let's check by 19. 551, 19, 2s are 38, 7171. Yes, 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 yes. We have got it. 19 into how much? 29. Yeah, this must be cancelled either by 19 or 29. So 19, let's see, 19, 19, 5s are 95. then you are left with how much? 95. 1, 2, 3. This not cancel by 19. It must cancel by 29 then. Are we getting the same, na? 5, 7, 1, 7, 1, 19. 9s are. Yes. So let's see. It is cancelled by 29 then. If it is not by 19, it must cancel by 29. See, 19, it's the problem is 95, then 2, then 1. Now there is a problem. It does not cancel. Uh, or if it is 133, it's fine. Let's check by 29. Fine. 1073. 29. 33s are 90, 34s are 29, 4s are will not be working. 3 only. So 87. So 387, 203. 9 sevens are 63. Yes, so 37. Yes, obviously. So we have got it as 29 into 37. So with a lot of effort, we have got it. So in exam also, you have to give time, right? So 29 is one number, next is 19, and next is 37. So 29 plus 19 plus 37. 18 plus 7, 25. 4, 5, and 3, 8. So 85 has to be the right answer of this question. Okay. Next one, HCF and LCM of two numbers are 44 and this. If the first number is divided by 2, the quotient is 44. The other number is what? So HCF is 44, LCM is 264, right? The first number is divided by 2. So the number must be of this form, 44A into 44B, and we know product of two numbers are equal to their respective HCF and LCM. 44 gets cancelled. This becomes let's see, 11 fours are, and 11 twos are, 11 fours are, the 4 6s are. That means AB is equal to 6. That means AB is equal to 6. That means A and B could be 1 and 6 co-prime, and they can be 2 and 3 also. I guess after this there is no option. So if A is 1, the first number must be 44 into 1, and the next number must be 44 into 6. Yes. So 44 and 40 into 6, 240. 240 plus 24, 264. So this is one number. Another number should be 44 into 2 or 44 into 3, because this is the multiplying factor here, right? So 44 into 2 is 88. Another is 132. Okay, now it's given as the quotient is 44. The other number, you can see that the quotient is 44. Other number is what? So only one of the option, 44 and 264 is there. But if the first number is divided by 2, the quotient is 44. So if suppose this is the first number divided by 2, are you getting the quotient 44? No, you are getting quotient 132. So this is not the answer. Only this option is available for the answer. So this is my answer. Right? Good question. Next one, xy be the ratio of two whole numbers, and z be their HCF. So what is the LCM? Let's consider this x and y as some number. Let's say x and y as 2 and 3, and z be their HCF. Let's say z is 4. Okay, HCF is 4. So if HCF is 4, these numbers must be in this form: 2 into 4 and 3 into 4. Now, what is the respective LCM? For LCM, I need to pick up the highest power. So 4 is the highest power of 2, that which is 2 to the power. Acha, here it is 2 to the power 8, and here also I have 12. So here it is highest power is 2 to the power 3, and here 3 into 4. So I have to pick up 4 into 2, 8, and then 3. So this becomes 4 into 2 into 3. So what is it? What is 4? 4 is the HCF. What is the HCF here? Z. So Z must come. So this is the value of Z. And 2 and 3 are the ratios, respective ratios, right? So Z into X into Y. So my answer is option D, right? The greatest four-digit number divisible exactly by each one of this. So now we need to find the greatest four-digit number divisible by means this thing. So we have to find the HCF. So this is 3 into 4, this is 2 square into 3 square. Is it 9 into 2 na? Oh, only 1 2. Yes, 21 is 3 into 7. 24 is 2 square into 7. Now coming to this, 2 square is common, 2 square. Then 3 square is there. Yes, and after that 7 is there. So sorry, we have to find divisible by, divisible by. Okay, you're going correct. So it must be the LCM because numbers are big issue. So 4 into 9, 36 into 7, right? So how much? 36 into 7. This becomes 30 into 7, 210 plus 42. So LCM is 252. LCM is 252. Now just check by the greatest number. What is the greatest number? 9, 9, 9, 9. And just check it by the greatest number, 252. Which number is cancelled? It should be exactly divisible by this. So if you divide it, just check for 4 times. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. This is 10, so it will not go 4 times. 252, 3s are 6, 15, 7, 56. Okay, this is 3 and 4 and 2. This is 9. So you can check it. 252 must be cancelled with 9. 9 2s are 18, 46, 2268. 2268. Now it must be 1 7 and it should be 1. Now we are left with 171 remainder. Now how I can say that this number will divide? I have to subtract this 171 from here, then only it will be completely divisible by 252. So 4 times 9, 171, 8, 2, 8. So what is my answer? 9828 is my right answer for the session. I hope you have learned and enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.